We are almost there.
Oh shit.
Right, it's the first actual...
Gliding and sliding.
I'm loving it. Oh, baby! May need that live valve, brother. Right, good afternoon, sports fans. This isn't really an LSD. This is gonna be a dream build. And I've got my vacation hat on because I'm on vacation. Barney's gonna build this. This is a pivot switchblade with Fox live valve suspension. So, it's basically unreal. It all adjusts. It's got cables, wires, batteries, and it's gonna adjust the trail ahead and predict what it needs to do and be live. So, I've literally never ridden live valve suspension, so I'm super excited to try it. Barney has got quite a task on his hands. He's already threaded a bunch of the wires and the cables through because that's boring for you guys. But now we're gonna have dream build ASMR and get this amazing new pivot switchblade built with the Fox live valve suspension. So I'm gonna probably work on these WWA steel chairs over here and hang out on my laptop while Barney gets to work building this, and I'll organise some team stuff or whatever. But enjoy, and I might jump in now and again, but otherwise we'll see you at the end when I ride this bad boy. Nice one.
Yeah, it is.
We can leave this volume in as well. Pedro's House of Lamb could go good while the build's going on. That would either be Dream Track or... when she gets here. Night.
Tired, I'm smoked.
Good.
The fork is in, it's looking good. I've been putting the bins out actually. That's where Barney's hidden the dream bike build. Jenna's turned up. Excited to ride. What was I going to do?
I was like, really? She's like, no.
No, can't do that one.
I'm just not good at this sport.
Email, me and Jen will go get some food. Doing fun shit such a cat, eh?
A lot of admin involved.
Zero.
Yeah, you're good, man. So we looked at the instructions.
We're figuring out how it connects. But yeah, it's live out instructions by the sounds of it.
Because it slides up and down the cable, but I had it on the wrong way.
Fancy. We're getting on the right way, sports fans, and we're going to be gliding and sliding and doing it all. We love it.
Yeah, so I reckon I'll clip it onto this cable and then clip it onto the other.
Okay, that's kind of like all the electric stuff done now. Yeah, pretty good.
Those ready.
Sweet.
And there's some video if you want some.
Oh shit.
It's really bad luck.
Here we go. The Conti Reynolds combo.
Fuck this, fuck luck.
Straight up. There we go.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like the finished one will chuck it on the ground and I'll just ride it on the going.
Yeah, exactly. But I'll do the C-post length, like, not being filmed, because there's no point.
Sky.
Yeah, sweet, man.
Alright, check out this little bad boy.
It's a normal hairdryer.
It's like a little swan neck for a cartoon character. This is for the shrink wrap.
It's like a clone
Let's stand
of
on.
Star Wars. Star Wars number 2.
Let's see.
I'll search one up.
101.
I don't know if we got the right
Don't
tool for
use
the
the funny
job.
hairdryer.
Funny hairdryer right in the arm. Okay, you can get me putting the battery on because this is like
No. We are almost there.
taking off the dust cover because that's what this
Oh,
is.
that's a dust cover. I thought the battery
When
was
you're
on.
washing it, when you're charging your battery. Yeah. This is, I actually haven't put this on yet, so I don't know how it goes. But
Fancy bit kit. Is that done?
Nice.
then look from below if you can with the camera, and hopefully it just turns on when you press it.
You on?
Yeah, bro, hold on just a second. Yeah, there we go.
Oh, baby!
What's it doing?
Well, that's crazy. Is that calibrating?
I don't know. It does say we need to like do something online first. So.
We're just excited. Look, Barney has killed it with the dream build of the Pivot Switchblade Fox Live Valve Edition. It looks pretty sick. I'm pretty excited. We're going to take out the GoPro and get some dad cam footage because this is pretty high end dream build, but the rest will be dad cammed. And we're going to just put a little bit of riding in this one. There's going to be a full live valve riding edit with like jumps, roots, drops, everything. Some flat pedals, some clips. We're going to see how it goes. Pretty excited about this, to be fair. It's going to be cool. Thanks for watching. Yeah, the rest of it should be live.
What are we doing? Done.
That I reckon. Next up will be us rolling out the garage and manning into town. The classic Queenstown lap.
Shit.
Right, so the dream build on the Fox Live Valve Switchblade is done. And yeah, this kind of came about because I've always wanted to try the Live Valve. It's something amazing, Pivot and Fox working together. So, I'm going to take it for its first ride right now. We're just going to take a chesty, really. We're going for a lap. It's called the Fernhill Loop in Queenstown. It's kind of like single track. It's pretty techy, up, down, around, kind of goes everywhere. In, do some jumps in Wynyard. It's where like Dream Track and Mini Dream is. So, basically, I'm going to take you on the chesty, get a few clips, and just learn how the bike rides and see how it goes. Super excited, and thanks so much to Fox and Pivot for sorting this dream Live Valve build out. It definitely looks the part, that's for sure.
So
Here we go. She's powered up. Alright, first roll to town. I'm gonna bed some brakes in for a fat nanny. I don't trust new tyres on the road. Alright, first climb out the gondola, and my shock is locked out already. Wouldn't you bloody believe it? I got a little descent into an up. You can feel it's actually crazy, the support in the shock when you're pedaling up. I guess that would be like what you'd call a lockout. Just so much support. Pretty sick view while we're climbing the open for now. You can change the settings. We're learning about it. It's pretty cool, but we're learning all the settings
that's where we like
with the crew.
it needs.
Right, this is the first actual proper little section downhill I'm going to ride into Beached As. If I don't get completely dusted out by the crew. Which I am. Okay, she's pumpy. Whoa. Okay, it flows good. Back out to a little climb. Shock's gonna lock out for me. This is actually sick. Alright. This is where I think it comes into its own. We're pedaling, we're hitting bumps. Oh, this is a luxury that is nice to have. We're almost at the watering hole. It's lower than it's ever been. But we will get a drink. Oh yeah. Fun so far. This is actually the perfect trail for this bike. You've got little downs like here, straight into little ups, and then we go into a nice little downhill section again. Up where Barney is, if I can catch him up. You spin up here, down a little left. We've got a sick little piece of single track straight out the gate. So fun! I know I say that a lot in New Zealand, but it really, really is. Followed by another little down. Oh, all right. Tight switches. Cliff. The perfect track to test this on. Wow. We had a hugie.
Oh, we just lost the...
That's what happens when you don't have live valve. Right, we're up here at McGazza's bench. Now we got about, what, 8 to 10 minute downhill? Dropping. Oh, we're live valving. This way. Right, I'm gonna let the dust settle. Right, back in. Now the dust settled. What rocky. Right, we're back on track. Whoa, she's hard to see. Whoa, she's hard to see the old track. Oh, it's cool though. Okay, okay. Mate, we are catching that Atherton DW up. See, there you go, there goes the live valve past it. Whoa. Oh, uphill. Oh, I think we want to go outside. Oh, and he makes it stick. Sketchy. Woo, she's a narrow sucker, eh?
You needed photos on that blue bike.
Yeah, with the green, yeah. It does look cool.
It's a little bit overgrown. Don't be cracked there.
Let's see it.
Oh, my body.
Next one, I reckon. Okay, okay. Mate, need that live valve, brother. Ah, is this it? Is this the way? Oh, that's such a good clip. I'm just like, live valve, brother. Right, let the dust settle. Eddie will be down another bank somewhere without his live valve. And we'll go now. Still a bit dusty. Oh yeah.
Do we keep on going, or do you want to go McNeely?
Surely McNeely.
That sounds pretty good.
Oh no, I'm down for this. I keep doing McNeely actually, yeah.
We can do...
Can we get to Dream Track?
What?
Can we hit Dream? Straight into Dream. Oh, I used to love this one. Yeah, it's dusty, sports fan. Whoa! You can't see him, just following Eddie's line. We used to ride this all the time. Oh, we're peeling off in the Dream Track, baby!
Off we go.
Right, Dream Track's getting watered, so we're going to ride McNeely down to Mini Dream and go get some jump on the live valve. Shuttle LT leading us out. Bloody quick, Newly. Alright, see you at Mini Dream. T-ball guy. Oh! Hey, do I need to know anything?
Yes, battery.
That's it. That's quite big. Oh, they're quite a lot bigger than before. Okay, that is so fun. They're quite a lot bigger than they used to be. Wow. Alright, one lap through, we're going hyper-view. When they get a good POV on the switchy. Yeah, I'll come with. Pretty casing now. Okay, they're pretty good once you've done 2 laps. Right, that is the end of it. That's the end. The live out was very impressed about the game. I'm loving it. We'll see you in the next one.